Hi everyone, this is Dr. Chung. This is MC8. Today we're going to do topic 2. This is about basic operations with algebraic expressions. Okay, so here is some concept understanding the basics. Okay, you can read this one, all right? Okay. And second one is the key concept and definitions. You have to memorize all these definitions. Okay, what is algebraic expression, and what is the variable, and what is constant and coefficient, like terms, or unlike terms. Okay, so usually this operation can be performed by distributive property. Okay, you know this distributive property of you. Okay, a times b plus c equals a times b plus a plus c. We will use with these operations a lot. Okay, and second one is symbol defined operations. Okay, symbol defined operations, mathematical operation that is defined in the question. Okay, this is already defined. The multiplication, that is the symbol for the multiplication. This is the symbol for division or something like that. But sometimes they made a new symbol over here in the question. Define this one. A is the first number, B is the second number. So when you have this symbol, the first number squared and plus at the next one, second number squared again. Sum of these two squared numbers. Okay, that is the symbol, right? So it's going to be defined in the question. Okay, all right. Just for example, one example questions of you. Okay, here you go. A B is that is defined this way. First number times 3n plus n squared of a second number. Okay, if A is 2, you can say A is 2. I'm going to put this number in the equation. Okay, 2, and the symbol operation B is 4. So 3 times first number, 3 times 2, and plus second number squared, right? Second number and squared by the definition. So the result is 6 plus 16 equals 22, right? Okay, that is the symbol operations. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna select some questions over here. Or other one is in the book. Okay, you can try all this one too, right? And maybe one previous question over here. Okay, so that's the symbol over here. The circle inside some value of x, right? Yeah. This one is the first number squared and divide by second number. That is the operation. Okay, a lot, right? AMC 8, there are many steps there. Just in your school, regular school curriculum math, the math is very simple, right? Just one constraint, okay, to find the right solutions. Or sometimes, maybe very rare time, it is two, right? But AMC 8 is what? Going into another one. Okay, so many constraints there. Okay, that is AMC 8 question. Okay, get used to this type of question. Okay, so first one over here, one by one, inside, we have to find the result of this operation. First number square. This one equals what? First number square, one square is 1 over, and the second number is division, right? 2. That is 1 over 2. Now we have another symbol over here. First number square is what? 1 over 4, right? 1 over 2 square is 1 over 4 over 3. That is equals to 1 over 12, right? So up to here, we got 1 over 12. And minus second and third. That's a kind of a community property. But we don't know, right? That work. Okay, anyway, you try. 2 square is 4 and over 3. That is 4 over 3 and the 1, another symbol over here. That is equals to the first number square is 1. Second number is 4 over 3. The reciprocal, right? That is 3 over 4. Okay, that's the second term over here. So that minus 3 over 4, right? So you have to simplify this one. 1 over 12 and minus 12 over 9. What is it? Negative 8 over 12, right? But you need to simplify. Negative 2 over 3, okay? Choice A is the answer. So you can try number 9, that is 2001 AMC 8, number 12, okay? That is not hard, you can do that. Another one over here, that's a symbol, kind of symbol operations, but we need a little bit about reasoning, logical reasoning, okay? We're gonna try number 10 here. So we have three-digit number, TWO, TWO, okay? The first constraint over here, all letters stand for a digit, different digit, right? A digit is different, okay? The same digit not allowed to use over here. Second one is another one, if. This is also by kind of a constraint. T is 7. It's already by one, okay, constraint solved. You can try 7 W O and plus 7 W O. That is equals 4 U R. Okay, so we don't need this one anymore. Okay, but remember we used 7 already. Okay, or other letters stand for maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 is unworking. Okay. Okay, the next one. A letter O represent an even number. That is another constraint. O is even number. Okay, remember. So what is the only possible value of W? Okay. Take a look. Always you have to go easiest way. Okay. O plus O is R. What is O? We don't know. Right? Here is the result of here. When you add right, some equal number 7 plus 7, that equals to O, right? What is the 7 plus 7? 14, isn't it? This is 14, always one up to the next digit. That's right. It cannot be two up, right? Because our maximum number is 9 plus 9 is 18, right? Only one of around, okay? So we found f is equals to 1, right? Okay. From here, you can get the found 1 over here. So 1 cannot use, okay? We are used already. So what is the O? That is 14, right? You have 1 up over here. But maybe one more numbers around up from here, right? Maybe if you got this 12, one right over here. So possible number of O is what? 4 or 5, isn't it? One up round is one over here. 4 plus 1 is it can be 5. But we know that O represent even number, right? Even number. So it can be 5, right? So there's no one up over here, okay? So O is 4. These are the same numbers. So you can replace with 4. So, okay. So what is R? R is 8. Okay. So we have available digit is 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, right? Now take a look over here. We're going to find the possible value of W. There's no one up over here, right? So W plus W will be one digit, right? It can be more than 10. So if W5 is what is it? 10, right? One up. That's not good. W must be less than 5. Now we try 4. Oh, we already used the 4 here. It can be 4 there, right? The next number is what? 3. Or the next number 2. We try this one. If this is 3, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Consider over here. 3, 3, 6, new number. Okay? There's no overlapping. If you use 2 over here, 2 plus 2 equals to 4 over here, right? But we used the 4 already. Okay, we cannot use the same digits, right? So the only possible value of W equals 3. It's okay? 3 plus 3. Also, you can try 0. 0 plus 0 is still 0, right? But they are equal. W, U, they're going to use the same digit. That's not working, okay? So the only possible digit for letter W is 3, okay? Choice D is the answer. Here we go number, okay, we're going to try number 11. That is 2006 AMC questions. We have a multiplications. ABA times CD equals CD. What is this? CD. There are CD over here. You might have some idea. You're going to use some special skills. You know that the value of this one, CD and CD, when you have a right 21. The value of this one is 2,100 20 and 1, right? That is the value of this digit. Okay? But we have a CD. Another way, can use two digits each other because we're going to write, use at like a bundle, right? 21 times 100 plus 21 times 1. Same thing, right? Okay. So I'm going to use that scales. CD, right? So CD times 100 and plus CD times 1 equals CD, okay? But this is actually CD is a common digit. Right? CD is out inside 100 plus 1 is what? 101, right? So that is equals to CD equals CD times 101. That's it. But we already got the CD in the operation over here. CD times 101, right? This is going to be equals 101 and times CD. That is equals to over here CD and CD. Okay. If you know these scales, you can solve this way. Okay. When you have the questions very similar to this one, try it this way. Okay. All right. So A plus B, A is 1, B is 0. It's going to be equals to 1. Okay. Or maybe you can try, if you don't know, right, the scale of this one, maybe you can try this one too. 8 times D equals to D, right? 8 times D equals D. What is the value of A? A equals to 1, right? A equals to 1. You already know this one. The next one, try the next one. So 1B1 times CD, right? So this is D times 1 is D. D times BD is what? This is BD, product of these two. D times 1 is D, right? Because we have D there. So C times 1 is C. C times CB is what? CB. And C times 1 is C. When you add this one, you get this one. CD. This is just C. This is going to be D, right? So this one should be 0. C plus B must be equal to 0, okay? So D. So over here, to be C, B times D also equals to 0, right? All right. But we know that C and D not 0, okay? C and D not 0. Are you okay with this? So B must be 0, okay? So this times B must be 0. So this number will be 1 or 1, okay? So A plus B is 1 plus 0 is still 1, okay? You can solve this way too. Okay, 12 is easier, right? You can try by yourself. Or other one in this topics, not that much hard, okay? All right, that is, they are all symbol operations. And number 16, okay? All right, there's the answer key there in the book. It's a very detailed explanation, right? Okay. So you can try this one by yourself, okay? Okay, next time we're gonna finish algebraic expressions and equations, okay? Okay, I'll see you next time.